Alright, starting to get big again. That's pretty much baseball size now. So, that's a free paint job for you. Oh my god. I need to get a picture of this. It's pretty gnarly going off your roof. Ow! That shit hurts, dude. Alright, calming down now. Wow. That is cool.
I've never seen hell this big.
Me either, dude.
Dude, look at my car. All the mud was on.
Yeah, dude. It's in that puddle.
The car's getting muddy.
It's because of that puddle, dude.
Hey, Frank.
Hey, Matt.
Me
too.
Good thing I
My
just
car
spent
does.
like $2,000 painting it 2 years ago. Good thing you made it back on your bike. That would have sucked.
That would have hurt.
I could imagine rather fighting that shit.
Yeah, we pretty much got baseball size.
Come on, I've never
So,
I
yeah.
needed a TV, but that's a tough ass window.
As far as you can see.
My driver's side, dude, some of those things are kind of straight. I got $500.
Wow.
Seems like it's dying down.
Shit! I just spent $500 on bubbles this week, and I gotta spend another $500 to get my shit all cleaned up.
Hey, I'll take a free paint job, dude. Mine already had hill dents. I'll take a boner, too.
Yeah, but I need insurance to give me the money so I can
It looks like snow.
do my car the way I want.
My jeans are all
Well,
wet.
up my front end, my trunk lid, the hood.
Let me film that.
Dude, I told you,
How gay are you?
that was awesome. That was fucking sweet. I don't even care if you fucked my car.
That was cool. I'm gonna film Matt filming this.
Hey,
I'm gonna film your screen.
I don't know where my protein shake went in all the chaos.
Alright, that's pretty cool. To be honest with
I'm gonna be like, oh.
you. That's 4D, dude. I think 4D. Alright, I think we're good now, so we can assess the damage out here.